Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn elephants, tigers, and leopards together, step by step. Using real animal count information, we compare big numbers and add and subtract them maths from the real world. A table organizes information in rows and columns. Each row might be an animal, and each column a fact, like its count. Read across to find the value you need. To compare counts, line them up by place value and compare from the left. Then use the greater than, less than, or equals signs. If there are 2,967 tigers and 12,852 leopards, leopards are far more. The difference is 9,885. To recap, read tables carefully, compare numbers from the left, and add or subtract to find totals and differences. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.